Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford F-150 Lariat. Stock number is 18M104B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you also have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera here on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Spray-in Line-X bed liner, and then the hard cap on top are going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and your navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Your four-wheel drive controls are here and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.